Hello everyone, I just wanted to share with you a couple of things I've learned and since I was testing the new Vollkit, so stay with me, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to install. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, so I hope you enjoy. So here are all the things that you need to have to install the kit. These are the basic parts. I'm grabbing them to my hand one by one. You don't need much stuff, you just need basic accessories like multi-tool, scissors, blenders, pump and Vollkit. So the first thing you need to do is to mount your case to the Vollkit wheel. You just take your old case with the inner tube and just put everything together, pump the wheel and it's done. Then, as I'm showing you here, you have these special pads, so you need to just be careful and place it the right way so it fits. The second part is to install the holder for the battery and the battery pack. So you just take off your seating post and then mount it from the underneath. You just mount it, then take the plastic case for the battery and make the click. The third part is to find the best way to take the cable throughout the whole bicycle. So you want to hide the cable as much as possible. So you find yourself, depends on what bike you use, you need to find the best way to mount the cable, then to connect the cable to the structure of the bike. Then you just connect the two wires and you have to push them firmly, as strong as you can, because then otherwise the contact is no good. This particular kit is 20 kilometers range, front mounted engine in the front hub or front wheel. It's 50 Newton meters, 36 volts, 350 watts. The last part of installation of the kit is to mount the battery. You can use the keys to lock the battery so it's not stolen from you. You just use the rubber bands to connect or mount the controller and the cadence to your cranks and the controller to your handlebars. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye bye.